Hello everyone, this is Jaldeep. This is a presentation on HomeFood food delivery service. We are total four people who have created this presentation. Arpita Sharma, Simrajit Singh, Prithviraj Chauhan and myself. So what is vision behind for developing this application, for developing this service? So right now what is happening? There are a number of food delivery services available in the market like Uber Eats, then Skip, then the DoorDash. But what they are doing, they are actually delivering the food from the restaurant. But throughout our service, we are delivering the home cooked food directly from your home kitchen, and so customer can eat that food 365 days without making any adjustment on their health and wallet. So we are also delivering food directly from your own kitchen to your work location as well. So every meal at your work is always fresh and healthy. No matter how busy someone is, they shouldn't skip their meals, right? And so we bring an app to overcome all of these problems. So these are some of the taglines for our project, and this is missing homemade food far from home. Then just download our application and we will deliver a fresh food directly from mom's kitchen. And another is why bread owner of the family eats stale food every day. Just download our application and we will deliver food directly from your own kitchen to your work location. So this is the development planning of our application. First is project planning document, in which we will do the ideation and brainstorming of the project. The date is already mentioned here. Then after the milestone one, in which we will do the technical design and the UML diagram. Then after in milestone two, we will discuss about the we will uh, about the marketing and monetization phase. And then after in the final presentation, we will do the final demonstration of our application as well as the final presentation. uh, uh, this is the app structure. So there will be a three app, but we are developing just one application as a part of this project. First is a customer app. In this within by using this app, you can you can order the food from our service, and you can track the food order, then compare different food partners and offers. Then another, this will be not will be the application, but this will be the a web application, and this will be used by the food partners to see the whoever, like whenever the user will order, then the food partner will see how many orders they have received, and they can prepare the food accordingly. And then the third one is the delivery or driver app, which will be used by the drivers. So this will be the feature of our application. First is a user-friendly UI and UX design, so customer can interact very easily and they will have a good user experience whenever they will use our application. Then they can search and compare different food partners, locations, price, ratings, and they can also see their reviews. They can save their favorite dishes, their food partners and eateries, so they don't want to search all over again. Then advanced menu, so whenever they will see, like they can see the different food partners advanced menu, so they can order the food accordingly. Then there will be accurate locations of the food partners as well as for the users. Preparation time can be adjusted from the kitchen. Then we will notify there will be a notification to the customer and driver whenever the food will be ready for the picked up. And then orders can be placed according to the customer's choice. They can also do the schedule order as well. Easy, fast and secure payment options, and they can also there will be also option for the cash on delivery as well. So this will be the flow chart of this is the flow chart of our application. First, in the home page there will be a sign up for the user or admin. Then after, if you sign in as a user, then you first you if you are registered user, then you can directly log in. If you are not registered user, then you need to register in our application. Then after, you can do the food menu. Then after, you can do the food order, and then after payment, just stay at home, just chill, and the food will be delivered by us. In the admin side, the same thing. You can register as admin. You can as a register as a tiffin service provider, and then after, you can join the service. and then after you can add and edit your items, and after you can update your orders and payment as well. So this is the UML diagram of our application. So there are different screens, and which has a different classes, different screens, and then different methods in that classes. So this is all about the UML diagram, and all about the application. These are some of the snapshot of our application. First is the home page. Then after, whenever you uh, click on the as a like user or admin, there will be the next page, and here you can enter your user ID and password. Then after, if you are new user, you can register throughout this page in the third page. If you are a admin, this is the next snapshot, where you can enter your kitchen ID and password, and then after you can add your, you can register your restaurant or your services in the application. And then after, this is the restaurant details. You will see the different restaurant details here, list of the restaurants here, and then after you can see the different menus of that particular restaurants and what is the price. And this is for the admin or for the food provider, and you can enter the item details and all, and then after you can add the items, you can delete the items, you can edit the items, and this is the payment page. So competitive analysis. So we have do the competitive analysis who are currently providing the food delivery services. And first is Uber Eats. You all know about the Uber Eats, and Uber. I would say Uber Eats is the pioneer of these industries. And these are the features of the Uber Eats: easy delivery, live tracking, estimate delivery time, hassle-free payment on the tab, and then after you can find food delivery around the world. So they are providing service in all over the world right now. This is the tour desk. This is another most popular application in the Canada. And what are the key features? Deliver food by connecting people and possibility, no minimum order, real-time tracking of the food delivery, scheduled deliveries, no contact deliveries. And this is the last one. We have analyzed this application. This is also the popular application in Canada. And what are the features of the skip the disease? Track, you can track the food, very easy payment. Grocery shoppings is also available. You can choose different restaurant, and also pickup option also available. How our application is different than this all of this service provider I already mentioned earlier. So most of these food delivery systems offer restaurant or local food joint food, and we are here to provide customer fresh home cooked meal. Our other main feature is that we also provide delivery from your user's home, from your own home to your work location as well. There are a few people who are providing the tiffin services, but they don't have any platform. So they have a limited scope. They cannot deliver some of outside some of the areas. They have some boundaries. They have some limitations. So our motto is that we will bring all of this provided on a single platform, and then after they can so the user can choose different options, and also the food service providers will have a, more scope. Therefore, our goal is to serve healthy, fresh, delicious, and nutritious food to busy customers who prefer to save time on cooking and grocery shopping. So these are our marketing strategy. In the first step, we will so our we will advertise any products is to know our audiences. For us, our primary target audience is people who are living far from homes, like international students or people who are living in the other cities, and work professionals. So therefore, these are our primary target audiences, and most of them struggles to get home cooked food. Therefore, firstly, we will start our marketing campaign from the colleges which have international students. There, there we will meet the students and will explain our app with all the features and how this app will solve the struggle to get home cooked meals staying away from home. The other app of our project, which deals with the delivering home hot meal from the user's home to their designated location. So we will follow the same formula here. We will go to the different companies, different offices, and we will explain the work professional that how our app will deliver their home meal directly to their work location, and so they do not have to eat stale food every day. This way they could get their hot meals at their desired time. And in the final period, we will provide some of the whenever the user will register with us for the first time, we will provide the free services earlier, so they can take this method is very beneficial because uh, this will this will promote our application, as well as we can use the advantage of word to mouth. So as more and more customer will be satisfied user, so they will refer our application to the other people, and that way we will uh, use the mm, use the benefit of the word to mouth strategy. And the final, we will use the social media, like a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all, and we will write some blogs and um, some of the, like, we are also using the hashtag, advantage of hashtag. Like if someone will order food throughout our service, and then when they put the image of that food on their Instagram or Twitter handler with the hashtag HomeFood, we will provide them the free food delivery. How we will do the user engagement? The other way we will promote our app. We would take advantage of search engine optimization. That would be by writing compelling and informative blogs about our application and all the services we are providing. So by this, whenever someone searches about the app on search engines, it get noticed. In addition, by writing useful blogs, we build our customers' trust, which can help strengthen audience engagement. And we will send the push alerts as well, by using notification as well as from the emails. So whenever we will update any kind of, we will add any kind of new services, so we will send them the emails and the promotional emails, and also the push notification as well. So we will also analyze customers food preferences, like what they like, what their daily orders, their choices on which food partners meal they want. This way, whenever a new food partner is added in their location, they would get the customized notification, so that user can relate notification with their own choices, and this will increase the app engagement. How we will make the money? So for the first strategy, we will provide the food delivery to the user on behalf of the food partners, and we will charge some of the food delivery charges from the customers, and that way we will earn money by just delivering the food to the customer. The second strategy is that as our partners are using our services, so we will take some kind of commission from them for using our to so they as they are using our service, and that way on every meal there will be some commission, so that way we will earn the money. For our third strategy, we will put some advertisements of our food partners who are registered with us, and will be shown on the app on the user domain side. So we will to charge some fees to showcase their advertisement on the top of the app as a listing or as a banner. And ads will give our partners a good promotion and could increase their orders in number as well. So we will do as well, this way as well. In the final strategy, we will use the freemium model. So we will use this thing in the latter, after we will get more users on our application. So if the user needs special discounts from individual food partners and free food delivery, then they need to take subscription of our service, and we will charge on the monthly or annual basis. So this way our app will be generate the money. Estimated cost and time. So this is the some of the estimated cost and time. uh, uh, every app is unique, and cost to develop each app is different. Features, platforms, and time to build, and many other factors affect the price. So to get the estimated of app development cost, you need to apply some formula. Estimate development hours multiplied by developers hourly cost, and there will be a total cost of the mobile application development. So we have total 360 hours, 180 hours for the native iOS application for the user, and 180 hours for the partners. So for the development, it will take 150 hours both the side. Then for the graphics designs, it will take 10 hours. And then for the testing, it will take 5 hours. And for the project management, it will take 15 hours. So total, it will take like 360 hours. And we are charging 18 hours, $18 per hour as a developer. So estimated cost of the minimum viable product will be around $6,500. And the return of the investment. So before launching of our application, first of all, we need to channelize our food partners first. And initially, our app will be new in the market, we need to build the trust. We will do meetings with the partners and explain how our application is working and how it is beneficial for them, how it will increase their business after registering with us. As the food and business is very concerning about the hygienic and quality of our partners. We need to clearance from the government to start our food business. We need 1 to 2 months so we can add more partners and give more options to the customers. In meantime, we will start our marketing campaign. As a part, as per the marketing strategies mentioned earlier, we are sure like we will get more than 1000 downloads within the 2 months after launching our app. And if out of 1000 on an average, if 500 users use our app, we would make money as expense below. So to illustrate, in the first Monday we managed to get total 2000 meal delivery, and the estimated profit would be, we charge like a 99 cents commission from the food partners and around $3 as a food delivery as a convenience fee from the customers. And if $1.50 amount will be go to the driver for the delivering the food, still we will make like $2.48 from each transactions. And if we multiply that with the 2000 orders, then we will generate around $4,960 for the first month. And from the second month, we will make more money by building trust with our users. Therefore, by ending of the second month, we will be in some profit, and then in coming months we would fetch all the investment and gain profit. So this is all about the home food delivery services. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Have a good one.